Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, and we do have a fun video for you guys today. Now, of course, pearls have played a big role in the dipping scene for years now. Very popular, and one of the most popular types of pearls is the color shifting pearl, for obvious reasons. Now, we get this question all the time, and we've never, for years, been able to give a definitive answer. What happens if you mix together different color shift pearls? Do they combine forces? For example, if you have one color shift pearl that goes from a green to a purple and one that goes from a gold to a red, and you mix them, does it go from green, purple, gold, red? There's only one way to find out. We are mixing color shift pearls today. Enjoy the video. Now first, I'm going to break down for you guys exactly how we're going to approach this experiment, because there are a lot of different color shift pearls out there, lots of different variables, and we want to make sure we have some structure so we get a nice clean end result. Now we're going to break down the color shift pearls into two simple categories: large particle pearls and small particle pearls. We want to make sure we group two large particle together and two small particle together to get a nice, predictable, clean end result. We don't want the particle size playing a role here. So for our large particle color shifts, we're going with the Iris Violet, which is like a violet to blue shift, and the Flash, which is like a gold to a rosy red shift. For the small particle, we're going with the Nautilus, which is like a green to blue, and the Triton, which is like a pinkish purple to a aqua color. Now, we want to give you guys the best visual end result possible here. So what we're going to do is take two different hoods and we're going to split them in three sections. On the left side, we're going to spray pearl A. On the right side, we're going to spray pearl B. And in the center, you'll see what happens when both are combined. We don't do any small scale testing when we do this stuff because we want to learn and experience this along with you guys. So let's jump right in. All right, guys, we finished the experiment. Now it's time to check out the end results. We're walking over to our first hood here. The way I want to do this is I want to show you guys one pearl, exactly how it's supposed to look. Then take a look at the other pearl, just how it's supposed to look, so you guys can get comfortable with how each pearl looks on its own. Then we'll see in the middle what happened when we combine the two. So first, we're taking a look at Flash Color Shift. This is a nice, bold color shift pearl. It goes from a bright gold, transitions into a nice rosy red, almost like a pink. Super easy to see the transition from one color to another. It's a large particle size, so it's got a nice sparkle to it. Super popular pearl. Now on the other side is the Iris Violet. Again, really easy to see where the color transitions are. It goes from a purpley to a nice bright blue. Again, large particle size. You can see the sparkle to it. Really easy to see the transitions back and forth. Now, when the Flash Color Shift and the Iris Violet came together, we've got this color. It is large particle size. You can see lots of sparkle to it. It's taking a lot of color from Flash. You are getting some color transitions. You're getting some transitions from a gold up front into like a rosy kind of color towards the back. It's almost got like a holographic effect where there's lots of little color particles fighting each other and coming together into whatever you would describe that as. It does have a color shifting effect, but it's much more subtle than the other two on their own. Cool color. It does transition, but you can tell it's not quite as strong and quite as vibrant as one of the color shifts on its own. Let's check out the other hood. Okay, hood number 2. This was Triton Color Shift and Nautilus Color Shift coming together. Looking at Triton first. This is one of our most popular all-time color shift pearls, and it's easy to see why. It transitions hard from a pinkish purple all the way to like a bluish aqua color, and the transitions are very clear. You can see two colors at the same time from lots of different angles. Again, smaller particle size, but it does have a nice, decent sparkle to it. And again, this color is just absolutely beautiful. Now, moving over to the Nautilus pearl. This is a unique color shifting pearl because the colors that it shifts from one to the other are so close to each other. You've got these beautiful blues going into these greens. It's a like very Caribbean Sea looking style pearl. You can see the color shifts, especially when you get the light at the right angle. It's a very beautiful, very unique color shifting pearl. Now, taking a look at the color that the Triton and the Nautilus made together, it's very clear that both color shifting pearls had a lot of green influence because this green color basically took over the entire look of the center of the hood. Now, there are shifting properties here. This did take some of the purple away from the Triton. You can see that at the most extreme angles, but a lot of the green from the Triton, a lot of the green from the Nautilus and the blue came together to make this kind of dark sea foam aqua color. It's a beautiful color. I really like the way that it came out. It's not shifting as hard as you may want. So if you're looking for a more extreme color shifting pearl, this is not going to be it. But if you want a really unique green color that has some interesting shifts at extreme angles and light points, this could get the job done. So what did we learn from today's experiment? Well, you can mix color shifting pearls together. However, it doesn't work where it's like you take two color shift pearls, you mix them together, and then it's just going to flip-flop back and forth between 4 or 5 different colors like some crazy holographic rainbow effect. They're going to mute each other out. They're going to cancel each other out a little bit. You are going to create a very unique color, and it's probably going to retain some color shifting properties. But if you want something with a more clean transition from one color to another, you probably want to stick to the color shifting pearls as they come. But if you want to do something unique, you want to try something out, that's what dipping's all about. Rock a color for a couple months, and when you get tired of it, you can peel it off and try something else. Now, you may have noticed there's one thing that we left out in this video. We did not try mixing hypershift pearls together. The reason why is they're like 100 times more expensive than regular pearls. But if you guys want to see us mix hypershift pearls together, I'm willing to do it. Leave a comment in the section below. Just say hypershift, yes. And if enough people ask us to do it, we'll do it. If you want to dip your own car though, we have lots of different colors to choose from. Click up here. It'll bring you to the DYC car kits. They include everything you need. But if you have any questions, chat with us directly on the website or call in. We love to talk to you guys about your projects. It's Fonzie. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.